So my height related to 18 centimeters is 7.5 centimeters. All right, so you also discovered that the area of a triangle, so the area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 the base times the height. So B equals base, H equals height. If you think about a triangle is half a rectangle or half a parallelogram. All right, so here, for example 3, you want to take a triangle sail, like the one at the right, and I want to know how many square feet of material am I going to need. All right, so let's go ahead and write my formula. Area equals 1/2 base times height. All right, so area equals 1/2. All right, so my base length is 3 feet 4 inches. Well, I'm going to go ahead and convert my feet and just make it all inches. So 13 feet 4 inches is 160 inches. And then my height is 12 feet 2 inches, and that converted to inches is 146 inches. So when so the first thing you're going to do is multiply 160 times 146 and then divide by 2. So you should be getting your area to be 11,680 inches. Well, I don't know about anybody else, but that's a huge number, so I'm going to simplify that down. So my area equals, when I divide 11,680, I'm going to get 973.3333. So I'm just going to go ahead and do 11,680 and divide that by 12. So I know my whole number is 973. So this is 973 feet. So do 973 times 12. See which, and then subtract that number from 11,680. And you should get 973 feet 4 inches for your area. And this is all squared. All right, so go ahead and find the area of this triangle and then answer the question. All right, so you should have gotten, for the area of this triangle, your area is equal to 1/2 base times height. Area is equal to 1/2, 5 times 1. So that is 2.5, and my units are feet squared. All right, so your last example, example 4, you're going to be combining areas. So the first thing you want to do here, so we've got a triangle and a square. Well, we know the area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 base times height. So, well, I know my height here is 8 inches. My base length is 6 inches because this is a square, and all the sides of a square are equal. So I've got 1/2, my base, 6 inches times 8. So when I multiply 6 inches and 8 inches, I get 48 inches. So my area is 24 inches squared. All right, I still need to find the area of my square. So my area of my square is also area equals base times height. So 6 inches times 6 inches. So that's equal to 36 inches squared. So then when I add those two together, my total area is 60 inches squared. All right, so then now it's your turn. It's asking you to take the base lengths of the square and the triangle and the figure are doubled to 12 inches, but the height of each polygon remains the same. So how is the area of the figure affected? So go ahead and figure out the total area and then answer the question, and we'll discuss how the area of the figure is affected. All right, so for this problem, all you had to do was change two numbers. So instead of having my base of 6 inches, my base is 12 inches times 8 inches. So the area here would have been 48 inches squared. So that's the area of your triangle. The area of your square would be 6 inches times 12 inches. And that is equal to 72 inches squared. All right, so when you added that all together, the new area of your figure is 120 inches squared. So how did your area change? Well, your area doubled. So when you doubled the height, your area doubled.